Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 14 to 20, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Ayan, Capricorn, what is up? Ano ang energies for you this week? For Capricorn. Overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the World. Oh, accomplishment ito. Meron kayo matatapos na contract or project or a cycle ng buhay mo or chapter ng buhay mo na masasabi mong tapos na. Oo, kasi na-achieve mo na yung goal mo doon. Oo, example, nag-iipon ka ng pera, o ayan. Nakapag-ipon ka na nung goal mo. So, yun na yun, na cycle na natapos. Or yung iba sa inyo may opportunities to travel abroad, to work abroad. Wow. Yung iba sa inyo merong opportunity for business. Oo. Self-employment, no? So, yung tipong wala kang sariling boss. You are your own boss. Some of you may business partnership na hinihintay. Kaya lang pwedeng the other person is hindi pa siya sure kung itutuloy niya ba. So, parang isip mo, ha? Ang tagal naman niya mag-decide. Baka hindi talaga siya sure. So, with the Page of Cups as your overall energy, parang bumabalik yung inyong sigla, bumabalik yung inyong excitement sa buhay, yung meron ulit kayong bagong pangarap, you feel good about yourself ngayong week na to, and alam mo na merong mga magagandang mangyayari sa buhay mo this week. And with the Queen of Swords as your challenge, maaring nahihirapan ka ngayon na mag-conceptualize ng isang plano na bago ulit. Kasi pwedeng natapos na yung dati mong plano or yung mga projects mo, and ngayon magsisimula ka ulit. So that can be a challenge for you when it comes to setting your new goals. Okay? But with your opportunity here, the Ten of Pentacles, this is about financial stability. This is about abundance. So, maaring merong opportunity for you to create more money or magkaroon ng ibang sources of income or to expand your finances. And then, your blessing is the Two of Swords, which is about decision making. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung ano man yung decision nyo or mapipili nyo sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon, yun yung magiging blessing ninyo. Ibig sabihin, magiging tama yung decision nyo the moment na hindi maging bias yung iyong decision. So, when we say hindi maging bias is, yung parang wala kang kinikilingan. Alam mo na yung decision mo ay para sa interest ng nakararami at based on logic, and also the combination ng logic mo and also yung iyong instinct and intuition. Okay? So, let's see. Money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Capricorn this week. Oh, wow. Let's celebrate. The Empress. This is abundance. This is about creativity. So, kung ang career path mo, more on creativity, mas magiging mataba ang utak mo ngayong week na to. You will have a lot of ideas na makakatulong sa pag-i-improve ng finances mo. Pwedeng may bago kang idea for source of income. Mas magiging productive ka rin kasi this is also fertility. Focusing on yourself. So, maaring meron ka ng pondo para or budget para sa iyong self-care. You have the King of Pentacles and the Two of Cups. Oh, okay. So King of Pentacles energy is stability in your finances. This is also a leadership role. Whether ikaw ay nasa corporate or ikaw ay ikaw ay may sariling business or self-employed, ikaw yung in control, ikaw yung in charge, ikaw yung leader. Maari ring merong offer like business partnership. Kung open ka sa panibagong business partnership, pwedeng ito ay romantic partner mo rin. Uy, nagma-manifest na yung inyong dream life. Yes, nagma-manifest na, Capricorn. Kaya kumbaga, yung momentum, keep it parang i-sustain mo yung momentum na yan. May mga times na parang panghihinaan ka ng loob kasi parang things are not going according to your plan, pero ituloy mo lang, keep pushing kasi yan part ng challenge sa'yo yan kung gaano ka katatag para i-pursue yung mga bagay na gusto mo, whether this is your career, your finances, or your business na gusto mo pang palawakin. And umiwas ka rin sa yung mga madali ang desisyon pagdating sa paggastos ng pera. Ito yung time na dapat mas maging masinop ka. Na hindi lang labas ng pera. So, sa relationship, tingnan natin. Ano yung relationship ng mga Capricorn? Kung concern nyo yan. Five of Cups, Ace of Cups. Oh, okay. Meron ditong gustong humingi ng tawad. Okay? Kasi maaring itong person na to ay na-realize niya yung mga pagkukulang niya sa'yo. But I don't know kung bibigyan mo to ng chance. Itong person na to na, bumalik sa buhay mo or pwede mo naman kasing patawarin pero hindi na naman kailangan magkabalikan, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Pwede tong romantic, pwedeng sa family. Example, may pinatawad ka na kamag-anak, pamilya. Tapos hindi naman kailangan bumalik sa dati, 'di ba? Kumbaga lang, wala na lang samaan ng loob. Ganon. Pwedeng ganon. If you are single, meron kang hindi napapansin na person sa buhay mo na may interest sa'yo kasi focus ka doon sa past. So, pay attention kasi merong nagpaparamdam or magpaparamdam sa'yo ngayong week na to na romantic connection. Na malay mo, no? Siya na yung the one. Oh, 'di ba? Meron talaga gusto mag-sorry sa'yo. Okay, there is a limitation in this connection. So yeah, I feel like there is someone in your life right now or may interest sa buhay mo, sa buhay mo, sa'yo, na hindi niya masabi yung feelings niya towards you. Baka nai-intimidate siya sa'yo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo nakafocus pa sa past. Lalo na ngayon na hihingi ng tawad. So, pag-isipan niyo maigi. O, 'di ba? Forgiveness talaga, Capricorn. Yeah, patatawarin niyo to, oh. You are healing. You are healing. Oh, pero proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi naman porket nagpatawad ka, pababalikin mo na. O, pero syempre, at the end of the day, ikaw magde-decide niyan. But, kung nakaka-resonate ka, kung bumabalik, humihingi ng tawad, patawarin mo, but it doesn't have to be na babalikan mo. Protect your energy. Kasi merong person na bago sa buhay mo darating sa'yo na mas deserve mo. Yeah. Free spirit. Give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. Yeah. I feel like this is related to your career, to your finances, your business, na magagamit mo yung creative skills mo para mas mapaunlad mo yung kaperahan mo. This can be related to crystals or any creative na project Oo, can be anything, content creation, if you are into sports or crafts, yan. Kasi mga Capricorn very creative. Nagiging ano lang talaga masyadong workaholic to the point na nawawalan na sila ng time to be creative. Not unless yung trabaho mo ay nasa creatives talaga. Oo. So, it's time to explore your creativity. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.